Hello everybody, how are you? Welcome back to Plant Sessions. My name is Kristen. I'm one of the founders of Tula, and today we're talking about soil and the structure and the science behind it. So what is soil science? What are we talking about? We're talking about structure. We're talking about what makes your plants beautiful. Because the one thing that we like to really push at Tula is that it's not all about the leaves or the flowers or the branches. It starts in the soil. And without the proper soil for your plant's gonna have a really hard time flourishing, growing, and loving life. So we need to make sure that the foundation is right. And so today we're going to make it really simple. We're going to break soil down to the 5 essential ingredients that we need to create different structures for different plants. And when I say structure, I mean that literally. A plant needs 5 things to ensure its best life. And those are moisture retention, aeration, drainage, stability, and nutrients. So what's in front of me? I have everything in front of me. So I have moisture retention in the form of coco coir. I have drainage in the form of these clay pebbles. In this example, we're gonna say perlite is our aeration. I have stability in the form of my rocks, and then I have compost in the form of my nutrients. So each of these 5 ingredients are going to be used at different amounts and basically amounts for different types of plants. So for a cacti, we're going to use a lot more aeration and drainage than we are moisture retention and nutrients. For a tropical plant like a fern, we're going to go really heavy on the nutrient and moisture retention side, and we're going to go really light on the drainage because we want a fern soil to really hold moisture and hold nutrients, whereas a cactus just really wants moisture just to fall right through. So we don't want to keep too much moisture because those roots will just suffocate and you will experience root rot. So many of you who may have overwatered or killed succulents in the past, it could have been, yes, overwatering, and it also could have been that you had the wrong soil structure. You can see behind me there is a finished potting mix. Lots of moisture retention, lots of rich nutrients. And then here's a finished cactus mix, grits, and you want it to fall apart in your hand. So you can do this test at home too. When you take a tropical mix, you want to squeeze it in your hand really tight. And when you want to open up your hand, then you want the soil to have ribbons in your hand stick together. And do the same thing with your cactus mix and hold it really tight and then open up your hand. You want it just to fall apart. So that's the way you can tell how a structure is in holding moisture. So I hope that helps everybody. And if you have questions, always feel free to reach out, care@tula.house. We're always happy to help. And again, my name is Kristen, and I really appreciate you watching, and I hope to see you again soon. Bye-bye.